All right, guys, Friday, May the 29th. We just got to our second job of the day. This is Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson actually reached out to me last October, but he had a lot of things going on. So finally got out here about 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. He booked on the spot. What we're going to be doing now initially, and he also watches my videos, found me on YouTube. He initially thought he needed a screen and recoat, but guys, I'm gonna tell you why he didn't need it, and we're just gonna clean and buff today. And then also we're gonna be doing the granite countertops. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we're in Mableton, Georgia. Actually, when we just left our first project, Mr. Fishback, it was only like 25 minutes away from here. And then my next consultation is actually in Mableton. And then I got another consultation this afternoon between 5 and 6 in Decatur. So, guys, these are 3/4 inch natural pre-finished floors. If you see, man, these floors already have a nice sheen on them. And Mr. Johnson thought the floors basically needed a screen and recoat. Now I asked him, I said, do you want to lower the sheen or do you like the sheen? He likes the sheen. Guys, it ain't gonna get no shinier than this, okay? So I told him, I said, well, Mr. Johnson, unfortunately, you don't need a screen and recoat. You just need a clean and buff. Because the floors do have little scuff marks here and there, okay? And they just need a good cleaning. And that's what we're gonna do today. A little bit over 1,400 square feet. Also, these granite countertops we're going to do as well. Okay. So Tavares is just setting up for me. We're going to clean the floors first, and then after we clean them, while I'm buffing the hardwoods, Tavares is going to be taking care of the granite countertops. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
One day,
Mableton,
shine in the day.
Truman,
Hey, pulled up early, sun up in the sky. Customers smiling when they seen us arrive. Wood floor looking tired, lost a little glow. Countertops faded, but we already know. No sand in the day, no screens on the floor. Just bringing back the shine they been looking for. Factory look return and watch the beauty unfold. Sometimes simple maintenance worth more than gold.
Truman, one day, making it shine.
Bringing back the beauty one floor at a time.
Truman, one day, countertops too.
Mableton, Georgia,
We coming through.
shine it up.
Shine it up, shine it up.
Truman got it.
Shine it up, shine it up.
Shine it up.
Shine it up, shine it up.
Truman got it.
Shine it up.
Granite countertop, catching all the light.
Out of light,
Wood floors reflecting, looking clean and bright.
clean and
No
bright.
dust in the air, no major repair. Just proper maintenance and professional care. Sometimes people think every floor need more, but a clean and buff can't change the whole floor. Bringing back that glow that was hidden away. Now the whole house smiling at the end of the day.
Truman, one day, making it shine.
Bringing back the beauty one floor at a time.
Truman, one day, countertops too.
Mableton, Georgia.
We coming through.
Hey now,
Sometimes it's simple.
hey now.
That's all it takes.
Clean it, buff it, bring it back.
Mableton, Georgia, Truman.
One day,
Mableton, Georgia, Truman.
one day.
Mableton, sun going down, house looking right. Countertops glowing, floor shining bright. Another happy customer, another good day. Truman, one day system.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Look at these floors now, cleaned and buffed. That's all they needed. My client Jimmy follows me on YouTube. Initially, he thought he needed a screen and recoat, and the only reason we would screen and recoat these floors if he wanted to take the sheen down, but he said, no, Courtney, I like the sheen, and a semi-gloss is not going to get it actually shinier than this. It will actually probably make it look a little less shinier than what his floors look now. And guys, what it was is Jimmy explained to me all he does is keep his floors clean with detergent. Now, guys, remember, because that's our machine kept pulling out a lot of foam because we were just using a neutral cleaner, okay? okay, which is our own cleaner, and it does not have foam in it because foam is just really surfactants. So this is a surfactant free product. It's a neutral cleaner, citrus base. So when we see all that foam coming off the floors, that's an indication, just like Jimmy explained to me and told me what he was doing, is using soap, okay? And then people just don't do it one time. They do it 2, 3, 4, and they just don't realize they're building up a residue. So you have this residue from the soap residue on your floors, and then so we come in here, we just neutralize them, and then we buff them out, and these are the results. Floors look amazing. They're very, very happy with the services. And another thing too is when they saw the countertops, the first thing they said, oh man, they don't feel gritty anymore. Because again, your countertops gets a lot of residue on them, okay? Soot, from the cooking, grease, and we again buff them out today. They're nice and smooth. And also got Jimmy a gallon of my True Neutral. All right, guys. All right, that's gonna do it. Greatly appreciate it. We're about to go knock out these 2 consultations, and we'll be back out at tomorrow. Tomorrow we have 2 consultations in the morning. One in Beaufort, not far from the shop. They're moving into a house. They want to get the floors done before they move in. And then another consultation in the city of Atlanta, and then a job in Atlanta Midtown. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.